Hi, my name is Priyanka. My final project is a web-based application using JavaScript, Python, and SQL. I'm going to run Flask run on my terminal window. Okay, here it is. So, log out. Okay, here it is. It's a garage sale. This website, it's called garage sale, and it's more like eBay, an online marketplace or classified section where the user need to register for an account, and the user can sell or freely give away the products or buy other people's products, other users products. The first I need to register for an account. Benjamin password. So I have implemented it like it needs minimum 8 letters or 8 characters, and one uppercase letter is needed, one number is needed, and one lowercase letter is needed, and one special character. So register password. Okay, here. Okay, this is my home page, the website home page, or more like a dashboard. So here, add listings. Here all listings are here. See. Oh, nice. Product name, description, price, location, email, phone, date and time. So here 18/7. So okay, so it says the new listings are on top. So I'm going to add listing. I'm going to add something, product name, or first choose file. What about this one? Dining table. Dining table. Used but good. Price, free, location. We at gmail.com. Phone 345 3456. Add listing. So my listings, this is my home page where my product list is added, and listings. Okay, here also this one is added, and this one is on top because this one is the